Hello, welcome back. Let's take a look at question 9 from the STAR test of 2019. It says triangle PSV is shown on the coordinate grid. The coordinates of each vertex of the triangle are integers, and it's asking for what is the slope of the line between P and V. So it's asking for the slope of a line between 2 points, So what do we know about slope? What do we know? What prior knowledge do we have? So we have learned that the slope on the graph is the vertical difference over the horizontal difference. So that's the slope. Vertical difference between 2 points, we also call it the rise. Horizontal difference, we also call it the run. So vertical difference over the horizontal difference, that's the slope. And since we are looking at 2 points, so the vertical difference is the difference between the vertical levels of the 2 points, and the horizontal difference is the difference between their horizontal positions. So we can say the vertical difference is y of the second point minus y of the first point. So this is the vertical difference. And x2 minus x1, the x of the second point minus the x of the first point, that's a horizontal difference. So we have that formula for the slope. Now, what do we know about, what do we know from the question? So we know we are going to look for the slope of between P and V. So for P, the vertical position, the x is 2. And the horizontal position, the y is 4. So P is 2 and 4. And V is the vertical, the horizontal position is 1, 2, 3. The horizontal x is 3. And the vertical position, the vertical level is at 0. So V is 3 and 0. Of course, we also have this point S. S is at a point of x is 3 and y is 4. So S is 3 and 4. But that does not matter to the slope. So we don't need S actually. Now let's go ahead and use the known information to find out the answer. I'm going to show you two methods. So first one, we can apply this formula. So we need y2, y1, x2, and x1. So P is the first point, V is the second point. And this is the x of the first point, x1, and this is the y of the first point. And 3 is the x of the second point, the x2, and 0 is the y of the second point. It's a y2. So we're going to apply this formula. Our y2 is 0 minus our y1 is 4 minus 4. Our x2 is 3 minus our x1 is 2 minus 2. So 0 minus 4 is a negative 4. 3 minus 2 is a 1. Negative 4 divided by 1 is a negative 4. So that will be the slope. And there's a second method. We can find out the slope just by observing from the graph. So we know we are looking for a vertical difference and horizontal difference. For the vertical difference, that's from P to V, the vertical level is going down by 4, right? It goes down by 4. So the vertical difference is 4. But since it's going down, the 4 is a negative 4. If it is going up, like say we have a point here, it's going up, then this will be a positive. but here is a negative difference. Next, we're going to look at the horizontal difference. The horizontal difference. So the horizontal difference between these 2 points and here, the horizontal difference is it goes to the right by 1, right? From 2 to 3, it goes to the right by 1 unit. So the difference is 1, and this goes to right, so it's a positive 1. It's a positive 1. So -4 divided by 1, it is -4. So both methods will give you the same answer, and the correct answer for the slope is -4. Did you get the right answer?